Hi, it's Elevated Education here. Today we're going to give you some strategies to use with your autistic students. Autism is becoming more and more prevalent in our schools. Some say even as high as 1 in every 54 students, and these learners can be a huge asset to your classroom if you put in some simple strategies to help accommodate them. Firstly, each autistic student has differing needs, so familiarising yourself with their individual education plan, or IEP, is a must. They may have an assistant who supports them, and working with this assistant is crucial to your students' success. Developing a good relationship with the students' carers can really help you to understand their needs, and feeding back to the parents on any positives can really help all parties. Sometimes telling classmates about an autism diagnosis is beneficial, but this should always be discussed with carers first. Within your classroom, structure can really help. Predictability and routine are often comforting to autistic students, allowing them to know how the day or week is going to look, and having a visual timetable is really good practice. Following routines for transitions between activities and keeping supplies in a consistent place are again reinforcing that structure, which our autistic students seem to love. Alternative communication systems such as signs and picture cards can assist in getting your verbal message across to our autistic learners. Use the student's name and use positive and explicit language when giving instructions such as, "Tom, walk on the footpath," instead of, "Hey, don't walk on the grass." And try and keep your communications clear and concise. Autistic students benefit from explicit and immediate positive reinforcement. Find out what motivates your student and focus your attention on rewarding positive behaviour and identify your student's strength. Ensure that all staff members are consistent in their approach and use of specific strategies with the student. This is particularly important for behaviour-related strategies. Many autistic students have difficulty processing sensory information. Noise and visual stimuli can be distracting, resulting in frustration. Minimise background noise and visual stimuli, including wall and display hangings. Consider allowing the students to use headphones or earmuffs if they are still overwhelmed. Provide a quiet space where your students can retreat to if things just become a little bit too overwhelming for them. Break activities down into explicit steps. Incorporate your students' favourite topic or interest as a means to motivate them. You might be surprised just how excited they are about. We hope you'd learn some new strategies which will help your autistic students. So please like and subscribe and follow us on social media to continue the education conversation. Thanks for watching. Bye.